Nakikita yun. So, naiwan na point. But your acting skills kasi, palabas mo si Kasi, sabi ko nung wala ka lang kasi. Ang ganda ng eksena ni Dirk. Asan si... Ayaw, o kasi kami yung mga ang galing nila kasi may makeup, I appreciate my makeup ang mga actors. Netflix and chill. Parang ganun lang. Wag ba natin sa chill? Ayan, oo. Nanonood ng Netflix. Napakasimple na ba yun? Magmula sa unang grupo hanggang sa pangalawang grupo.
Ayun po, opo, late na naman po ako uuwi. Oh my God, gabi na nga. Hi guys! Kamalong po. Sorry. So this was basically the day before, after the filming of our short film, and the previous clip from the beginning of the video was basically our house subject teacher giving us our critiques for the live version of our performance.
Her name was Kitty, ate her money being pretty and witty.
Hey guys! I'm going home again, late as usual. We have a special guest today. Well, tonight, I guess. Justin, who's wiping his nose. He's carrying my table. We used it for a play. We're on our way home. Well, I'm on my way home. He's tagging along because he's going to be borrowing my guitar for the weekend. Wait, weekend or for a week?
For a week.
Okay. Guys, now he's leaving. He got the guitar. I'm walking him to get a cab, and then I'll be home soon again. Practice later. We're still here, editing the audio. Our beautiful choreographer. And physics too. Those are our classmates and our dancers. And what are his songs again? Michael Jackson Thriller, Bondi, and then we're taking the choreography from Venus on the Tide, right? I'm not gonna explain that later. You heard it. What the? Alright, so for some context, like everybody else left, so the only people that you'll be seeing in this clip are the ones who are left. So it's basically me, Ricky, and two other classmates. It's Zagres and Thea. That's it.
What if dalawang kamay yun? Ipa-ex mo? Well, down pa. Or ganito rin, hindi.
Oo, pwede.
Palm. Here. Mistaken.
Eh, merong ano dito, merong color red.
Nagkakano no?
Yes. So, paano yung kanina yung ginawa ko na ako? Diba? In. When the violence, silence.
Tapos mo lang dito, di ba? Silence.
Pwede. Limas din, limas ito.
Ay, ganun oh. Silent, we must. Silent, we must.
Pwede, try mo kayo nga. Ginagawa ko.
Hindi ko nakikita mo ako ng Ano ba yan? Gago nga naman. Alam mo naman wala ako sa timing.
Bilang ka ng... Yan. When the violence was that silence. When the violence was that silence. Silence.
Ganun nga, di ba?
We
Ay,
must
we must be pala yun.
refine it.
Ay,
Okay.
it's the same. Recording na.
Pasan na kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 8.
4, 1.
Ano na?
Baking kasi
Breaking the... Parang may binaban sa parang
Heart is taking over. When the violence
Yes.
was
Kung baka parang when the...
we must
Tapos parang dalawang lines. Violence. Cause violence. We must... Ano naman? Okay. Okay, babay ko lang ulit. When the violence causes silence. Ay, diba sabi niya? When the violence causes silence. Diba, ay, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Tapos sa'yo,
Ayaw ni Vanessa yan? Gusto ko yung may moment na parang...
pasig lang. Ayan.
Ganyan.
Ah.
Pero yung start ganda lang, close ka lang. Hindi, mas creepy pa gato. Pero, parang ting! Parang TikTok, TikTok pala. Paway na niya ako.
Hello home. My hair is like a goddamn mess. Why am I cursing?